When we built UK2 back in the days, we built it actually before VMware, before Zen, and before KVM, and before anyone for virtualizing servers. And you were looking at these dedicated servers, you kind of had two choices. Either you had a shared hosting account with no kind of policing or enforcing of resource allocation, or you had a full dedicated server. There was nothing in between. And then suddenly VMware came, then Zen and KVM came, and made it possible for you to have kind of infinite number of servers. That was the foundation of the cloud, and everything kind of just blew up. Suddenly, your revenue was multiplied, but more importantly, your profit just went bananas. Because suddenly your utilization rate of this infrastructure, your return on the capex that you've invested, completely different. The second thing was the ease of use. Suddenly there was orchestration platforms that everyone could just point and click and then get resources served to them. Enterprises, SMEs, SOHOs, and so on. And also like these enterprise players trying to enter the market and frankly failing, right? We had a huge opportunity back when we built VPS.net back in UK2 group and taking the technology. We're seeing the same thing now. There's like two major trends, right? Number one, the guys that have deployed the neo clouds, and frankly also the GPU wave within the hyperscalers as well, is done in the enterprise way. So it's done just like you were selling dedicated servers back in 2002, 2003. So either you buy one card or you buy 8 cards. What if you need half a card today, 1.5 cards tomorrow, and then 10 cards the day after, and then back to 1 card afterwards? That is what VMware did to the dedicated server, and no one is doing that to the GPU. The second thing, it's super hard to deploy, it's super hard to manage. There's no easy to use orchestration platform. And if you are SOHO or SME or anyone who is not super enterprise with a team of developers, managing your AI infrastructure is quite a cumbersome task. So those are the two things that we wanted to solve. Building a platform where it's really easy for service providers to get live and for their end users to actually consume the infrastructure. And number two, making it super profitable for those service providers and frankly also cheaper for the end users to deploy. So we deployed hosted AI, which make it super easy for service providers to deploy their AI infrastructure, and then making it super profitable for them because we are able to virtualize, just like VMware did for the CPU, we are able to virtualize the GPU, slice it up and make it flexible, make the workloads fit where they fit best rather than necessarily be tied to physical infrastructure